Welcome to Fluky Facts. In this video, we will understand India-USA relations, how two of the world's largest democracies have evolved from being distant partners during the Cold War to becoming one of the most important strategic partners of the 21st century. We will explore the history, areas of cooperation, challenges, and the way forward. India and the United States are both democratic nations that believe in freedom, rule of law, and diversity. However, their relationship was not always close. During the Cold War, India followed a policy of non alignment, trying to stay neutral between the US led and Soviet led blocs. The US, on the other hand, supported Pakistan due to strategic reasons, but over time, both countries realize they share many common interests, especially in trade, defense, and global security. This understanding has brought them closer. Let's trace how this relationship evolved. In the Cold War era, India tried to stay independent in foreign policy, while the US saw India as being too close to the Soviet Union. Tension peaked during the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War when the US supported Pakistan. From 1991 to 2000, after the collapse of USSR, India opened its economy. The US started viewing India as an emerging market and a democratic counterbalance in Asia. Although relationship suffered after India's nuclear test in 1998, this one improved through diplomatic efforts. From 2000 to present, the turning point came with US President Bill Clinton's visit to India in 2000, followed by the 2005 civil nuclear deal. Since then, the cooperation has grown across all areas: defense, economy, technology, and education. Some landmark moments shaped the partnership. In 2005, both countries signed the civil nuclear deal, a major breakthrough that allowed peaceful nuclear cooperation. In 2016, India was recognized as a major defense partner, giving it access to advanced US defense technology. In 2020s, collaboration deepened under the Quad Alliance, 2 plus 2 dialogue, and Indo Pacific strategy. By 2023-24, the focus expanded to semiconductors, clean energy, and artificial intelligence. These milestones show how the relationship has moved beyond diplomacy into technology, defense, and innovation. Politically, India and US maintain regular 2 plus 2 ministerial dialogues, where defense and foreign minister meet. They have signed important defense agreements like LEMOA, CONCASA, and BECA that improve cooperation between their militaries. Through the Quad Alliance with Japan and Australia, both nations are ensuring peace and stability in the Indo Pacific region. Together, they aim to maintain a free, open, and inclusive Indo Pacific. Economically, the US is now India's largest trading partner with a trade volume of over $190 billion. Major sectors include IT services, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, defense manufacturing, and clean energy. The US is also a top source of foreign investment for India. However, there are challenges such as trade imbalances, tariff issues, and visa restrictions for skilled Indian professionals. Still, both countries continue to negotiate to make trade more balanced and beneficial. Defense is the strongest pillar of partnership. The two nations conduct joint military exercises like Yuddhabhyas, Malabar, and Vajra Prahar. The US supports India's Make in India defense project through technology transfer and co-production. Both countries work together in counterterrorism and cybersecurity. In the Indo-Pacific, they ensure freedom of navigation and maritime security, protecting important trade routes. Science and technology have emerged as new areas of strength. India and the US collaborate in fields like clean energy, artificial intelligence, semiconductor manufacturing, and space exploration. A great example is NASA ISRO's NISAR mission, which studied Earth's environment and natural disasters. Education is another strong link. Over 250,000 Indian students studies in US universities. Collaboration between IITs and American institutes are driving new research and innovation. The heart of this relationship lies in people. The Indian diaspora in the US, around 4.5 million people, plays a huge role in strengthening ties. Indian professionals contribute to America's technology, healthcare, and education sectors. Many CEOs of top US companies like Google and Microsoft are of Indian origin. Films, art, and educational exchanges also promote cultural understanding and friendship. These connections form the foundation of mutual respect and trust. Like every partnership, Indo US relations also face challenges. There are trade and visa disputes, especially related to H-1B visas. The US sometimes raise concern about India's defense purchase from Russia. There are policy differences in areas like climate change and data protections. Occasionally, the US comments on Indian internal issues such as religious freedom and human rights. But overall, both countries handle differences through dialogue and diplomacy. The future looks promising. There is a growing collaboration in defense technology, renewable energy, and digital innovation. Both countries can lead the way in climate action, Indo Pacific security, and artificial intelligence. With in a large market and America's technological expertise, they can create sustainable global solutions. The partnership is also key to maintaining stability in Asia and countering shared challenges like terrorism and cyber threats. To sum up, the India US relationship has matured in a comprehensive global strategic partnership. It is built on shared democratic values and common vision for peace, prosperity, and stability. While there are differences, both nations recognize that cooperation brings more benefits than conflict. As the world becomes more interconnected, India and US will continue to play a central role in shaping the future together.